Okay, here's the script. Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're diving into how to unlock a whole new world of content on your Apple TV, specifically, how to watch Japanese Netflix. Now before we get started, remember this is based on my own experience, and things can always change. I'll put all the relevant links in the description below. And if you find this helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing. Alright, so the key to accessing Japanese Netflix is using a VPN. Here's how to set it up on your Apple TV. First, head to the home screen of your Apple TV. You know, where all your apps live. Navigate over to the App Store and click to open it up. Once you're in the App Store, look for the search icon, usually in the top navigation bar. Click that, and then search for a VPN. For this example, we'll be using IPVanish VPN, so type that in. IPVanish should pop up as the top result. It will look like, describe the icon. Click on it. You can scroll down to see more about it. To download it, scroll back to the top and click Get. This will download IPVanish directly to your Apple TV. Once it's downloaded, click Open. The first time you open IPVanish, you'll see a privacy screen. Just click on Get Started. Now you'll be taken to the login screen. Enter your IPVanish username and password. If you don't have an IPVanish account yet, I highly recommend clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment. You can get an exclusive discount. When you log in for the first time, your Apple TV will ask you to create a VPN configuration profile. Just click Allow. Now you're ready to connect. Since we want Japanese Netflix, we need to connect to a Japanese server. You can search for one using the search icon in the top navigation bar. Once you've found a Japanese server, click on it. After a few seconds, you should be successfully connected. You'll see confirmation on screen. Okay, great. Now that we're connected to the Japanese server, go back to the home screen and open Netflix. Sign in to your Netflix account and select your profile like normal. And voila. You should now be seeing Japanese Netflix. To prove it, if I scroll down, you can see top 10 films in Japan today. Just select the movie or show you want to watch, and enjoy. And that's it. Easy, right? Again, don't forget to use the link in the description or pinned comment for that exclusive IPVanish discount. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.